Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Violet. In today's video, me and my BSV will be going for a girls' day at the beach. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on with the video. I will never understand how people wake up so naturally pretty. Like I'm struggling getting out of my bed and my hair is always so messy. I think my back is broken.
Why is it so freaking bone-chilling cold?
Everything is just messy. How am I going to brush this big bush of hair?
A while later.
Oops, I'm barely ready. At least I was just about to get ready.
Hi. Girl, why are you still in your towel? I'm ready to leave.
Oops, Fai, Ella's just on the sofa waiting watching Sip. I actually can't believe the end. I'm going to speed up me getting ready. Ella, what are you doing?
Stop running in my door.
Jillion, cotillion times later.
Hi again. Ella just went to go buy a surfboard for herself.
Go, Kylie, go! Good job, Kylie!
She was a fairy.
We're back, guys. I just want to apologize for ending the video early. See you in my next vid. Bye.